Hey y'all, Chef IrixGuy here, and this is how to make great grill marks. You can see the grill marks on the steak. Obviously that's not fake, it's from the grill. And you can find the cast iron grill grates like I use linked within this video's description. The secret is that you get your grill good and hot with your coal, your hickory. If you want to add hickory, I always add hickory. And you put it on the hot cast iron and then do a quick flip. And you know, it just really sears in the juices and it gives those great grill marks. And this is kind of a unique pattern. It's kind of a checkerboard pattern. So, you know, something that, you know, you cook on this, you know, your food is a step above everybody else's. Because look at those grill marks. Cast iron. Gotta love cast iron, man. Tell me what you think. Comment below. Be sure to subscribe and ring that bell icon to be notified whenever I post another video. This is a 20-ounce ribeye steak. Yes, sir. Hey y'all, Captain IrixGuy here. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to subscribe. It's youtube.com/IrixGuy. And ring that bell icon when you do to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.